Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use mockups in Canva. Now to get started, you can select an image from elements, or if you have uploaded an image, you can go to uploads and you can see whichever image that you would have uploaded here. So in this case, I'm coming to elements. I'm going to search for photos, select see all so that I can see a wide variety of photos to choose from. I'm going to choose this one. Staying in elements, I'm going to come out of the search bar and scroll all the way down to where I'll see mockups. Select see all and I will choose from any one of these that I'm seeing right here. I like this one from home and living, so I'm going to select this onto the project, and then this image of the horse, I'm going to hold it and drag it onto the photo. Now I can resize this and clearly you will see the photo of the horses on the bag. Yeah, and that is it guys. Very easy and very simple.